the prerequisition of cyber security? You must have knowledge on computer. What is computer? Computer is an electronic device which takes input and it gives the output by processing, and it gives the output. Computer is invented by Charles Babbage. Computer understands only ones and zeros. That is called a binary number system. If you press capital A, system cannot understand capital A because internally it converts into ASCII format. ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. So if you press capital A, it divided by 2, then the binary equivalent number is 100001. So then next prerequisition is networking. Networking is nothing but linking of computers autonomously, maybe local area network, maybe wide area network, maybe metropolitan area network. Then you must have knowledge on operating system. Operating system is nothing but interaction between user and hardware. Programming, anyone programming must have knowledge on. Collection of instructions is called program. Collection of programs is called software. Physical device, hardware is nothing but a physical device which can be touchable and visible. Server is a special computer having a high computing configuration. Then data centers, collection of servers at one place is called a data center. Data center is a backbone of cloud computing. And then computer networks is nothing but collection of autonomous computers in a network, and it deals with 7 layers, that is called OSI layers. The 7 layers are short form is PDN TSPA. So physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transport layer, session layer, presentation layer, and application layer. I am going to explain each layer, what is the functionalities we are performing. Then finally, cyber security to protect computer systems, servers, networks, and other programs against attacks is called cyber security. And any doubts, if you are having, please post in the chat box, or you can ask directly. If you are not understanding any concept or jargon of cyber security or any terminology in cyber security, you please ask me, no hesitation while asking the question.
Sir, everything is fine, sir. Everything is fine, sir.
Yeah. So what is the technical name of cyber security? Please see here. I have incorporated all the terminology, jargon of cyber security. Please see here. I have incorporated email, data, security, operation, access, knowledge, business, cyber security threats. Everything I have incorporated in this image. What is the technical name of this image? Can anyone answer in the chat box? See, the analogy of this image is how you are going to publicize about WIT Vellore Institute of Technology, by using pamphlets, dashboards, WhatsApp, SMS, scorecards, banners, etc. Same way, how I am going to publicize about cyber security. This is a modern way of publicizing about cyber security technology. Can anyone answer to my question? What is the technical name of this image? Can anyone please answer in the chat box? How many participants are there, sir?
24, sir.
Sir?
As of now, 24, sir.
Okay. So the technical name of this image is cyber security word cloud. So in this word cloud, it is a modern publicizing about any technology or any organization. So how measuring the data in cyber security, wherever data is there, wherever networks is there, so there may be cyber crimes. See, even bank data. So wherever bank data and sensitive data is presented, there cyber crimes, cyber attacks you can expect. So So to measure the computer data, this is the way we are measuring the data in cyber security. I have explained already, computer understands only ones and zeros. So 1 bit is equal to 0 or 1, 4 bits is equal to 1 nibble, 8 bits is equal to 1 byte, 4 bytes is equal to 1 word, 4 words is equal to 1024 bytes, 1024 bytes is equal to 1 kilobyte, 1024 kilobytes is equal to 1 megabyte. After megabytes, gigabytes, terabytes, petabytes, hexabytes, octabytes, zettabytes, yottabytes, brontobytes, geobytes, after that infinity. This is the way we are measuring the and jargon of data in IT technology, especially in cyber security data. So if you see normal range and big data range, how do we measure in mathematical representation? 1 kilobyte is 10 power 3, 1 megabyte is 10 power 6, 1 gigabyte is 10 power 9, 1 terabyte is 10 power 12, 1 petabyte is 10 power 15, 1 exabyte is 10 power 18, 1 zettabyte is 10 power 21, 1 yottabyte is 10 power 24, brontobyte is 10 power 27, geobyte is 10 power 30. So the first module I am going to explain introduction to cyber security. So cyber security is nothing but to protect computer systems, servers, data center and other programs against the threats. Cyber security is a way of protecting the networks, data center, servers and data, okay, from the attacks of the cyber criminals. So cyber security is a very broad term, but it is based on three fundamental concepts known as CIA: confidentiality, integrity and availability. Confidentiality, how you are maintaining sensitive data in a server. Integrity, how you are integrating multiple technologies, multiple file formats in a single document. And availability is nothing but 24 by 7, can I access the authentication or not in a organization or in any technology. So this model is designed to guide the organization which the policies of cyber security in the realm of information security. So cyber security, the textbook definition is the practice of protecting computers, servers, data centers, mobile devices, electronic systems, networks, and data from malicious attacks. It is also known as information security or system security or information assurance.